If you are a fan of brownies, you need to try Hershey's best brownie recipe. Full of delicious chocolate flavor, these brownies are hard to resist. The rich, velvety texture is a crowd pleaser, as these brownies will be a favorite among your friends and family. This recipe is beginner-friendly, as the brownies are relatively simple to make. They are perfect for serving at parties or selling at a bake sale. These brownies are a chocolate lover's dream and are sure to fulfill any sweet tooth and craving. Since this brownie recipe calls for baking powder, it will have a slightly cakey consistency compared to a more fudgy one. Baking powder is a leavening agent that works to lift desserts as they bake. Some recipes for brownies will call for baking powder, but not all of them do. What you will need. Ingredients for the brownie: 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, ½ cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup sugar, 1/3 cup Hershey's cocoa, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, ½ cup nuts chopped, ½ cup butter, melted. For the creamy frosting: 3 tablespoons butter, softened, 3 tablespoons Hershey's cocoa, 1 tablespoon light corn syrup or honey, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons milk. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray your 9-inch square baking pan generously with cooking spray. Step 2. Using a microwave-safe bowl, melt your butter and set it aside for a couple of minutes so it can cool. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the butter, sugar, and vanilla until smooth. Step 3. Add the eggs into your butter mixture and beat well using a whisk or spoon. In a medium bowl, mix the flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder. Step 4. Slowly add the dry ingredients of the brownies into the wet ingredients to form a batter. Beat the mixture until well combined. If desired, add in chopped nuts of your choice. Step 5. Spread the brownie batter evenly in your prepared pan. Bake the brownies for 20 to 25 minutes until the brownies start to pull away from the pan. Allow the brownies to fully cool on a wire rack, which may take up to 1 hour. Step 6. In a medium bowl, beat the butter, cocoa, corn syrup, and vanilla until well combined. If desired, you may use an electric mixer. Add in the powdered sugar and milk, beating until the frosting is smooth and creamy. If needed, add more milk to reach a thicker consistency of your frosting. Step 7. Using an offset spatula or rubber spatula, frost the brownies with creamy frosting. Be sure the brownies are fully cool before frosting. If desired, top with chopped nuts or chocolate chips. Tips and tricks. Store these brownies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days to keep them fresh. If desired, you may also freeze them for up to 6 months by placing them in an airtight container or Ziploc bag. When ready to serve, let brownies thaw at room temperature for an hour or microwave them for 15 to 30 seconds. If you are wanting more chocolate, you can add ½ to 1 cup of chocolate chips to the brownie batter. Milk, dark or semi-sweet chocolate chips will all taste amazing in these brownies. In addition, you can even add peanut butter chips, white chocolate chips, or caramel chips as well. These brownies taste amazing on their own or served with ice cream. Pair it with a scoop of vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry ice cream for a truly delicious dessert. In addition, they also taste amazing with caramel or chocolate sauce drizzled on top. If you are a fan of nuts, chopped walnuts, or pecans go amazing with these Hershey's brownies. They also taste great with peanuts and hazelnuts as well. Adding nuts gives them a lovely texture and a nice taste. For most brownie recipes, you can use either unsweetened natural cocoa powder or Dutch processed cocoa powder. Brownie recipes, like this one, that contain baking powder or baking soda, should use natural cocoa powder for the best results. Dutch process should be used in recipes that don't call for baking powder or baking soda, though you can use natural cocoa powder as well. This particular recipe calls for Hershey's cocoa, which is a natural cocoa powder. Though it is a great choice for this recipe, you can also use other natural cocoa powders as well. The higher quality of the cocoa powder, the better the brownies will be. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.